Okay, hey guys again. This is gonna be another Haro back check. Since as you can see a new part. Since I'm teabagging it, you can see the new part. So, okay. In this video, I'm gonna be restating all the parts on my bike. Sorry, from the occupation, I was looking outside. See outside, here you go. So, first, this is my black Haro grips. My bar ends are Haro, pretty nice. My grips are pretty nice too. This is, the brake cable is, wait, let me try to focus this. Okay, it's a Tektro brake cable, then a Haro brake cable. Most likely it's a Haro brake cable. Wait one sec. Okay, it's okay. And then this is a Haro. As you can see the Haro sticker. And then the Haro, I think this is printed. No, I think it's sticker. The Haro frame. As you can see my, can't remember what it's called, but it's the pivotal seat. Pivotal seat, and then as you can see, if you didn't believe me, is a pivotal seat post and a pivotal seat, which can pivot. And if you don't know what a pivotal seat is something where you can change the angle on the seat, pretty much. They come in all different kinds of sizes, but I got the smallest kind of size, and I put my seat all the way down because it bothers me when I put it all the way up. As you can see, I think these are demolition tires, maybe? Demolition tires. And as you can see, my bike is 200.1 Haro bike. This is the Haro Haro fork. As you can see, stock. The seat, customize. The bars and everything else is stock except the seat. As you can see, the demolition tires, the black rims. I'm gonna take off this reflector off soon. So I don't know what pedals these are called, but these pedals come on almost every bike that comes new, I think, maybe. And these are the Haro cranks, black Haro cranks, red Haro fork, red Haro frame. Okay, and the top tube of my frame it says right there, as you can see, 20.5 top tube. And then it's high, it says right here, high steel, high 10 steel. Sorry for the lighting. And yeah, red Haro bars, red Haro, already said that. And then I have a gray brake pads, black brake, whatever this is called, black gray brake clamp or something like that. Silver string, black brake line. Then for the hub is let me try to fit this in here or focus it. Okay, it is a quado, if I can read it properly. This is demolition tires. As you can see, which I don't think you could see, it is 20 times 2.0, I think. 50 to 40. Yeah, that's it. It's a 20 times 2.0 back tire, and then the Haro tire, it says Haro right there, and then a 20 times 2.40. You can see right here, backwards, upside down, I mean. And the seat, pretty much. Okay, let me turn the bike around. so you can see the sprocket. And yes, this is a real BMX bike. Oh man, there. Sorry if it falls, but now this is a silver. As you can see, a silver sprocket. No color, just like a full piece chain, no half link. As you can see, it's a full piece chain. The hub, pretty much. Some grease in there. Then the back of in here, right here, in here, there's some grease in there, so that when I'm changing my tires, it doesn't get stuck. And I think I covered all the pieces. Oh yeah, and the back rim is the same black Haro rim. I'm not gonna really customize the tires. The only time I'm gonna customize the tires is when it pops. Pretty much. I mean, yeah. Covered the. Oh yeah, and the stem I forgot. The stem is a silver Haro stem, which matches my sprocket, which is silver right there. Since you already know. And then that's it, I think. I'm just looking on my bike to see if there's any parts. That's it. Okay. It's my Haro 2013 BMX bike. Customized, apparently, since I changed the seat. Peace out, homies.